Hello everyone. In today's video I will be showing you why you never have enough time. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. 1. Poor time management and prioritization abilities. People's inability to effectively prioritize tasks and manage their time is one of the primary causes of why they never have enough time. This can be as a result of a lack of drive or knowledge on how to prioritize chores. Without effective time management and prioritization techniques, people could always feel overloaded and unable to finish things in a fair amount of time. For instance, if someone has a deadline for a project at work and spends most of their time doing unimportant things like watching TV or browsing social media, they may not have enough time to finish the assignment. Additionally, they could continually feel behind schedule and be unable to finish everything in a timely manner if they are unable to prioritize their duties and concentrate on the most crucial ones first. 2. Interruptions and distractions. People are frequently interrupted and distracted, which is another reason why they never have enough time. This may be the result of a number of things, including updates from social media, phone calls, or even just their own thoughts and concerns. People may find it challenging to focus and stay on target as a result of these interruptions and diversions, which can cause them to feel perpetually behind schedule. And someone can find themselves unable to finish a project on time, for instance, if they are working on one at home but are continually getting distracted by notifications from their phone. Additionally, if they are often sidetracked by their own thoughts and concerns, they might find themselves juggling multiple duties at once, which would leave them feeling overburdened and unable to do anything on time. 3. Lack of initiative. The fact that individuals procrastinate is another major factor in why they never have enough time. This may be caused by a number of things, including a fear of failing, a lack of drive, or even just a lack of knowledge on how to start a task. People who procrastinate may find it challenging to begin and finish things, which can cause them to feel perpetually behind schedule. One can find themselves unable to finish a piece of writing for school in a timely manner, for instance, if they put it off. Additionally, if they put off doing a task at work, they can find that they are running out of time and won't be able to fulfill the deadline. Procrastination can result in a sense of being overburdened and the inability to finish duties on time in both situations. So thanks for watching. And if you are new, please make sure you subscribe and turn on post notifications just so every time I upload you won't miss anything.